Hey guys, welcome back. I just got back from Food City. Lexi's bringing Lakely over tonight to swim and they're gonna eat with us. We're gonna have teriyaki chicken and rice, and I make that every time I cook on here. I feel like that's what I'm making, but that's what I'm making.
Hey Marjorie.
We got Lakely a hulu. It was little bitty. I have seen if your baby is starting to walk that you can hold the hula hoop like this and the baby can hold it down here and it teaches it to walk. But Lakely's got that master.
Yo.
She didn't live on chicken casserole. She said that's what she's gonna cook every night when she grows up and becomes somebody.
That's how you get abs, my friends.
But as you see, this kitchen is trashed. So we're going to, you gonna clean the kitchen for me?
Yeah.
So anyway, go clean the kitchen, start some supper, and we'll see where today takes us,
Let me
right?
show you these. These are like the base colors, like for French tips and stuff. All those were $9.99. The whole entire other cart, but you know, I'm gonna go easy on you. I'm not gonna make you spend $36. Y'all should like watch this video like 5 times so that I'm gonna make this video so good and edit it and stuff so that everyone watches it and then you can find my cart.
Are you gonna edit?
Yeah, I love editing.
Are you gonna voice it over?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna talk to them throughout the video?
No.
Well,
Well, I only have 1 more day of school, so.
yeah, tomorrow is 8th grade graduation, awards day. We are getting groceries tomorrow. I just didn't have time to do it today.
There's another side of you trying to break
Oh, we ain't gonna be dehydrated.
through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. When we are together, you're.
If I ever want to see Lakely, like if it's been a couple days, all I have to do is tell Lexi I'm making teriyaki chicken and rice with pineapples and broccoli. She'll be here. And tell me why there's a snake at the end of our subdivision. A dead snake in the road. But that snake's got a mama, daddy, brother, sister, and it might have babies too. It was big too, wasn't it? It wasn't a little bitty harmless snake. It was a big old heart attack snake. You should show them a picture of it.
Afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned? So you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're not blind. Tell me what is really on your mind.
Kenny's gonna tell you about her career path. So y'all know she goes to ETSU and she plays softball. She gets an extra year of classes now because you redshirt. Because she was hurt and didn't get this season in. So ball-wise next year you're gonna be a sophomore, but class-wise you're gonna be
a senior.
a senior? I thought you used to be a junior. This will be your 3rd year.
Technically, I'll be a junior. Athletically, I'll be a sophomore.
Those are for dessert.
Academically, I'll be a senior.
No, ma'am.
So it's complicated. I'm going into what should be my junior year.
So you started out wanting to be an athletic trainer. Why'd you change your mind?
Because I ain't working that many hours for no money.
How much did I make a year?
50,000.
50,000-ish
And
for
go to
athletic.
masters.
So then your fallback is,
PA.
and then, but what do you want to be when you grow up, Barbie?
Orthopedic.
Tell, you want to be an orthopedic surgeon. So she's going to go, okay, so you got 3 years at ETS you left,
Yes.
and then you start medical school. And how many years of that?
4. And then I have to do residency for 3 to 5 years.
Oh my God, do you get paid for that?
60,000 a year. And then I have to go to a fellowship and like specialize in like sports medicine. And then I can work.
And then what will you make a year?
Probably anywhere from 300 to 350,000.
350-ish? I thought it was 600.
It depends on where you work.
So you can make more, 350-ish.
350 is like the lowest.
I mean, I could do 350 a year.
I mean, I'm
gonna get a good nurse at home, y'all. Tell them what you told your financial, what is it? Financial planner? Your academic advisor?
Barbie. I got a different career plan every time I go in.
It's gonna make her feel like she's got a brand new shoulder. He was like, seriously, I don't think she's even gonna hurt as bad as she did before. And you didn't. You said that, like, it wasn't really painful, but I think it's because you were in so much pain before.
And he called me a baby. He said I just need to suck it up and play.
Well, you did need to suck it up a whole bunch of times.
You never apologized either.
In my opinion, there was a whole bunch of times you needed to suck it up.
Well, yeah, but my shoulders hurt for a while. You always said you're dramatic.
You are dramatic.
I am, but I was not that time.
See, that's like crying wolf or something, whatever it's called.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young.
These are my blackberry sprouts that my dad gave me that I set out, and I put these at the end of our garden where our corn was last year. So I don't think we're doing corn this year, but I wanted these to be in a spot that was already cleared off and wouldn't get potentially mowed down, weed eated. Not that you would do that, Hunter, but I just wanted them inside this fence, and they do spread. So even if it took up this whole area, I would be fine with that. I love blackberries, and these are special because they came from my dad's ground, and I don't know, I'm just kind of sentimental like that, but I just wanted to get all of my flowers watered, even though it does rain on this evening. Wasn't sure if that was going to hit us or blow over, but we do get in the pool for just a little bit. We probably went in there 10 minutes, and it thundered really bad, so we got out. But I just wanted to give all of this a quick water, and then you'll see that we get in the pool with Lakely. It was really cold. Didn't get to stay in there long, but it was fun while it lasted.
All that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, this summer night, this summer night.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go.
last time I cleaned this grill, I noticed that there were some rust spots on it that wouldn't come off. So I took Barkeeper's Friend and I dabbed it on there and I let it sit there for about 10 minutes, and then I went back, wiped it off, and it came right off. So if you have any rust stains anywhere, I would definitely try this first because it worked so good. So I told you guys in my last video that I had carpet cleaned, like my carpet, Allison's carpet, Heather's, the rug in the living room, and my carpet cleaner quit sucking. I guess something just wasn't like put together tightly. I don't know, because I took it apart. There was nothing wrong with it. When I put it back together, it worked fine. So it was just losing section somewhere. So I wanted to go back over Allison's especially because it was like I didn't get the water up good and it almost had like a smell to it from where I guess water just sat. So went over her carpet again really good. Her room was a mess, so look over that. But I did throw everything that was in the floor up on her bed and she can put that where it belongs. But her carpet looks so much better when I was done. You'll see that it just fluffs it up so pretty, makes the prettiest carpet lines. But it did smell so much better. So maybe you guys can help me with this, but I was thinking since that Barkeeper's Friend did such a good job on my grill that it might get this fog off of Kennedy's headlights. They're so foggy. Like it makes it even dim. Her headlights dim. They're so foggy. So I tried the Barkeeper's Friend, the cream, and then I tried the powder because it's abrasive. Then I get my little tool out. You'll see, I think Alden is here by this point. And he was the one mentioned it to me that they were really foggy. So he takes like a little attachment and puts on his drill and scrubs them. That didn't do any good. And then I used baking soda and vinegar, tried that. That helped. I will say they're better, but they're still not clear. When they're wet, they're clear. When they dry, they fog right back up. And we've tried toothpaste. We have tried everything. So I think we may just order her some new headlight lens covers, like the white part, the clear part. We may just order new ones. I'm sure they're not very expensive, but if you know of anything that will make these headlights like clear again, the covers, then let me know because it is bugging me that I cannot get those clear.
Stay forever wild, young until the end, swaying on the edge. Stay forever wild. unbroken. Don't you let me go. Oh, hurt unspoken. Never let me know. Oh, stay forever wild, young until the end, swaying on the edge. Stay forever. There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know
Allison Payne.
the world is yours. Strike them with your glow.
Next, find your passion. Find things that make you happy. My dad told me as I was trying to think about what I wanted to do in my career, he said, find something that you can find joy in. And today, I definitely find joy in what I do. Remember, you will always have a home here on the ridge, okay? Once a bear, always a bear. So at this time, we will begin our promotion ceremony.
Riley Lane. Isaiah Borland. Allison Payne.
Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown.
You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the